Hey Joanna, as promised, here's a couple things about AutoCAD that I remembered by messing around. First, if I do want to change this background, um, I come to my command line, type in options, and I can come to colors, 2D model space, make it white. So that makes everything white, but I don't have to do that. So I'm going to go back to options. I think now it'll show up as a, nope, it won't. Just to show this works, I'll go back to that. So it was in display file tabs, colors, 2D model space. I'm going to go back to black. Because like I say, people like this for some reason. But if I want to make this white, if I want to make this, if I want to print this as a PDF with line weights that will make sense, the way AutoCAD set up is that it basically has a bunch of plot lines. So we're just modeling and doing whatever we want to setting this up so we can see it as we're working on it. And then if we want to print it, even if it's going to be a PDF, or if we're going to plot it to where or we could, actually physically print it or just make it a PDF of it. We want to right click down on our, any viewpoint, go to page, or any viewport, go to page setup manager, come to modify. And actually, I just have done this. So if we have it set on none or some other thing, we preview it, we see it's the way we expected it to be. But if I change this plot style to AutoCAD monochrome CTV, and make sure that my plot line weights are set, my plot with plot styles, because this is a plot style, is set. And if I preview it, now we see that it's more what we're used to. And it does have line weights and some, there's some presets that are in play here. If we want to, there's various ways to get it to zoom in. We have to print to scale usually, but I'm just showing you. So if I want to go to extents, I can zoom in on it. Anyway, that's all you would need to do for this assignment. It seems like you just sort of figured it out another way. I hope this helps. So if I say modified, and if I now want to print it, but as a PDF, I'm just going to come to the printer name. I think you know how to do this, and say OK, close. Now I'm going to print it. I'm going to plot it. Sorry. So now I'm in my Adobe PDF. I can say OK. Give it whatever name I want to. I already printed this once, so I'll just print it again. Whatever, it doesn't matter. And here it is as a PDF. All right, let me know if there's any other questions.